Okay, I'm gonna start it up for you. This is pretty sure it's the exhaust manifold. Because it doesn't build boost. Yeah. Pretty sure it's right where the exhaust manifold meets the turbine in the